Legends! Hope you're having a beautiful day today, wherever you are in the world. My name is Joff and I assist people raise their vibration by leveling up their awareness. Thank you for being with me today. All right, today I'm talking about the weather. Yeah. Ooh, is it a touchy subject? It probably should be a little bit more touchy, to be honest. The weatherman. Who is the weatherman? How does he get his weather? How does he get his weather? Before we get to this, I'm going to talk about we create our reality. Yeah. So where attention goes, energy flows. So projections, yeah. This is going fast and quick. Just like that. We've gone through a whole bunch of stuff. So I'm taking you through different dimension hops, perhaps. So all of a sudden we're projections. Yeah, we create our reality, and we're projections. And projections, what does that mean? So that means basically, if there's a narrative that we get like told about, or if there's something that we get told about, we all believe it, and then we create it. We make it happen, because that's the thing. That's how big things happen. Big changes happen. Big events happen. Massive shifts happen through a collective. And this is what I'm talking about with this. Is obviously once we have that understanding and that awareness, then obviously the shift in human consciousness that's taking place right now, the more that people wake up to the truth, the more that people wake up to themselves and the programming that's been taking place, the higher vibrational this place is becoming every day. Bang. Unless there's false flag events that take place. But all that does is that puts people back into a bit more of a lower vibration to actually evolve even more and actually go back into that cocoon, to explode, to be that butterfly and just to fly. Yeah. So with this awareness here, about, long story short with that, is we create our reality, and if we're getting told to have a certain projection, be aware. So that's the thing. Is I'd like you to do an experiment if you'd like. It's up to you. I mean, I was actually going to do this. I was going to monitor it for a month, but I've been monitoring the weather for 7 years now, and just, yeah, again, this is my experiment. Take it or leave it. Observe the forecast. What is a forecast? It's a spell. Casting of a spell. So that's the thing, is you be aware here. We know that the news is complete BS now, yeah. So why would the weather not be a part of that BS? You know, that's the thing, is that understanding that we create our reality. So you look at that weather. You look at that weather man that's on there saying that it's going to be a certain degrees. It's going to be, usually it's negative weather now, down here in Melbourne. Like, I've been observing the weather down in Melbourne. Wow. Like, I've been observing it for 7 years now, and I've been telling people my opinion of it, about the what's the best way to put it? The lies. The more they want to create a lower vibrational existence. That's what they want to create. And this is the thing. This is actually a positive message, because this message is about observing the BS. Like today, for example, I'm out here in the sunshine, and there's a few cloud covers around. You can take it or leave it if you believe in chemtrails or not. I do. And that's the thing, is that they told me that today it's supposed to be 50% chance of raining right now. And I was like, nonsense, you know, like the whole week, this week's actually been raining. That's what they're projecting. They're projecting rain. And I always put that vibration out there of like, no. It's going to be sunny. It's going to be whatever I would like it to be. Because that's the thing, is that the more that we observe the things around us, this is a small example for the way we live our lives. If someone's telling you to kind of be a certain way, or to believe in a certain thing, and you've got a different opinion, just be yourself. Be you. Do you. That's what it's all about. It's all about authenticity. Like, you look at a whole bunch of my messages, literally, I reckon that they'd all go back to authenticity. That's what it's all about. It's all about purifying our existence to live in authenticity. That's what it's all about. Because when we live in authenticity, we're free. We're free from anything. We're free from desire. We're free from what other people think. We're free from anything. We're just free. We're free beings. We're sovereign beings, enjoying our experience as we would like to, in complete harmony with ourselves and with the universe. So yes, back to this weather. So this casting of spells. So just be aware of what the forecast is. Do your own research if you like, and like for the next week, observe the number that they're telling you, and observe the cloud, shiny sun or rain. Because that's the thing is, look, obviously the rain's great. The rain's beautiful for everything. It's very important, but obviously the sun is very important as well. And that's where I'm going with this, is that this is what I was aware of. I had the restaurant that I owned for 8 years, and I was aware in there, I feel like I did a lot of human experimentation in there, and I was completely unconscious. I didn't even know what I was doing until I got out of there. And I was like, wow, I learned a lot about humanity, especially in Melbourne. And one thing that I noticed was that as soon as like summer ended, click of a finger, everyone's negative, saying, oh, it's shit weather now. Oh, it's all over. You know, the good times are over. Time to kind of burrow down. It's like, what? What kind of mentality is that? I couldn't believe it. Every time I used to say the same thing to everyone. Look, the sun's always kind of out there. You just got to find it. You know, you got to look for it. Even in wintertime, the sun's out for like 4 or 5 hours a day in wintertime. Like there's a bit of awareness for you. I mean, that's where I am in Melbourne. I don't know where you are in the world, but in Melbourne, this is you know, if you want to take up that challenge, you can take it up and have a look. That, you know, 2 to 4 hours, the sun's out in wintertime, like every day, because the sun's always out. The sun is always out. The clouds and all that kind of stuff, that's all, you know, some of it's just obviously the universe doing its thing, but some of it's man-made, in my opinion. So again, just a bit of awareness with this one, to observe the weather, to observe the weatherman. And you can be your own weatherman. What do you want the weather to be on any given day? Do you want it to be sunny? Do you want it to be rainy? What would you like? And just see what happens with this. Just float around with it. Because the more people that are going to project a higher vibrational, like the more sun that's coming out, all right, let's go straight to that. I've produced many messages about the sun and how amazing it is for us. And why not? I'm just going to go just dabble in there again. Is that basically the sun is pumping through high vibrational energy right now. Like, it's insane. The amount of beauty, purity, balance that it's pumping out right now is, I can't even fathom the words. I can't even say the words. It's just amazing. It's amazing. It's magical. So that's why, for me, you paint all this message together, and that's why I believe they've been lying to us about many things. And that's another big lie that they've been doing, is stopping the sun from getting through. And like I said, I only speak for Melbourne and for some of the places around Australia, because I've observed some of these places around Australia. I've observed Queensland, I've observed Sydney, and it's very similar. The weatherman is out to get those places around the world. Can you guys let me know? Let me know about what's going on around the world, because I've never done this experiment outside of Queensland, New South Wales, and Victoria. So yeah, observe the weatherman. You know, observe the actual number that they're telling you, and you see what happens. You see what happens there. You'll be wearing more shorts. You'll be living more freely. You'll be less frustrated. And you allow for more purity as well, because you're going to be allowing more sun to hit your body, to hit your arms, hit your hands, hit your face. It's a gift for us all. It's a gift for us all. It's a being. It's a fireball of love. It's a fireball of light. It's so beautiful. It's a gift for us all. And that's the thing, is if we accept the weatherman's forecast, then we block it too. We're allowing it to be blocked. Because that's the thing, is that we create our reality. That's what we do. This is actually a very unique experience. It's much more beautiful than we get spoken about. It's much more like magical than we get spoken about. That's the thing. It's amazing. We create our reality. It's simple as that. It's so simple. It's interesting, isn't it? Yeah, so remove all those, you know, subconscious programs, bring in higher teachings, bring in more sun, bring in light codes, DNA codes, activations within, and allow yourself to fly. Because you know what? Why not? You can do anything. We're all unlimited beings having a temporary human experience. If you like this message, please share this message with someone you feel it may benefit. Anyway, guys, I love you all. With an open mind and an open heart, anything is possible. Peace and love, guys.